So, it's time to go to college. What are you going to study? How about emergency medicine? At Rio Hondo College, we can prepare you to be a first responder and save lives as an EMT. Let's look at our emergency medical technician program. First, it's fascinating. You'll gain insight and experience here that can impact the rest of your life. Our hands-on training program will prepare you to act quickly in the field. You'll be ready to protect your community no matter the time or place. There's no doubt our grads are well prepared. They are increasingly getting hired right out of school. Plus, many use this program as a springboard to more advanced degrees and certifications. At Rio Hondo, we can teach you to analyze life-threatening situations and take decisive action. If you're curious about working in emergency medicine, we want to meet you. Learn more at riohondo.edu/getstarted.